A giant banner of 2,629 kids' tree drawings from 33 countries has been touring the world. It's been to 7 countries, and kids from more than 40 schools have seen it so far. But did you know it had its grand premiere at Beaumaris Primary School? Kids drew what they love most about trees as a way to help cool the earth. Beaumaris got the giant banner first because they contributed 533 amazing drawings. Well done! Here's some examples. We celebrated the grand premiere in November 2021 with a drone photo. Then we came back again, and the year 5s at the time did an Earth drone photo. And just now in June 2023, we brought the banner back again for the rest of the school to get to play with it. They played the parachute game, lift it up high, run underneath, and also the crazy earth balls game, where squishable earth balls are put on the banner and they use teamwork to make them go as high and bounce as crazily as possible all over the place. Thanks again, students, teachers, and staff at Beaumaris for supporting the Kids Care About Climate Change initiative.